Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to English Mania. The host was popping again. I'll be welcoming you for next few days. Well, this video is mainly focused on what should we do in this lockdown. Quarantine days doesn't go well because you'd have nothing to do. Just staying at home, doing nothing doesn't mean something good. So we need to do something productive, something that may help us. And in Bangladesh, I'm sure our lockdown, our quarantine isn't gonna finish. It's going very, very dangerous and it's going long because people are not so much aware of this virus. They are not in the rules and regulations of being safe, being at home. I think it's not good. It's not going well. Well, I'm also staying at home and I'm doing something for me, for my future. Like, what can you do this time? Well, the first one would be do something productive that may help you, your future. Like, you can start learning computer. Well, computer is one of the most important thing in this world because this is digital world, the world of ICT. So you can learn computer, you can learn web designing or web developing, then you can learn programming, you may learn graphics design. That's one of the most important things of computer. Then another most important thing is you should learn the office application. I meant the MS Word, Excel and Access. Besides, you can learn MS database. Okay, it was about the computers. What's next? You can do your religious things, your religious work. You can pray your prayers, or you can go to mosque. No, well, as the situation is not good, don't go to mosque. Stay home, but pray. For everyone, stay home, pray. Don't need to go to church or pagoda. Just stay home and pray to your God, to your Allah. So then what should you do? You can make some good habits. Like, you have so much time to make this, so make some habits that's good. Like, you can start writing, you can start reading books, you can pass your time through reading books. This is a very good task for everyone. I think we should do this. Besides, you can read your holy book of your religion. Like, we read Quran because it's our holy book, so you can read Quran. And like this, you can do many things, but one thing that you should do is don't waste your time because this isn't good. It will harm you, not now but in the future. So do something, and yes, don't forget to study. Though it's Ramadan, but study. So please don't forget to do these things. And yes, another thing, welcome of Ramadan Kareem. Be late. Well, I'm late, no problem. Hope this could help you. This video may remember you, may remind you to do something. Please, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, comment and share our videos on social medias, and don't forget to subscribe. and click on the bell button, because if you don't click that, you would miss the next videos. So if you want to get the videos fast, then click on the bell button. Hope this was helpful for you. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video with a new topic. Okay, goodbye for them. Allah Hafiz. Ta-da.